upon a time, there lived Rishi Ananda and Rishi Swananda. They meditate in a lake every day in early morning. One day when Rishi Ananda was meditating for Narmada, the breeze was flowing fresh around them and sun rays warming on their bodies. Rishi Ananda used to take everything in his life positively, but Rishi Swananda used to get worried by few things in his life. Rishi Ananda believed not to be impacted by things happening around, good or bad, like gold never reacted by its surroundings and always shines. That day, Rishi Swananda was not able to concentrate while meditation and was kept opening his eyes. Suddenly, Rishi Swananda saw a big scorpion on feet of Rishi Ananda. Scorpion was biting hard on Rishi Ananda's feet. Rishi Swananda got very afraid and shocked. His eyes got wide open looking at the deadly animal. But at the same time, he was surprised to see Rishi Ananda, who was still smiling so calm and meditating without losing any concentration. He screamed and shouted, "Rishi Ananda, a big scorpion is biting you. Throw it away." Rishi Ananda said with a smile, "Biting is its nature." Rishi Swananda said, "But it must be paining. See, your feet is bleeding. And you are still smiling." Rishi Ananda smiled again and said, "That's my nature." Our good characters for others should not be impacted by bad characters of surroundings.